Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I replaced my hubcap. In the back you can see that I recently lost one on a trip to the beach, and it made more sense for me to just buy a whole new set than to just buy and ship one hubcap. And then I found these cool shiny ones with kind of a chrome decal on it, and I was like, oh, it's fire, you know. So in this video I'm going to show you how I took the old ones off and put the new ones on. So you can see that came off pretty easy. I saw someone else's YouTube video and they really just, got good leverage and just pulled it off. I wouldn't recommend using a screwdriver or any sort of hammers or anything, especially if you plan on reusing the old hubcaps. So I'm going to keep mine, just in case something happens and I have to put the old ones back on. So yeah, it came off pretty easy. Just kind of grip it and tug on the part until you find like a loose area, and then it will just pop right off. So here you can see me pointing at the little notch in the hubcap. This basically needs to line up with the air, I don't know what it's called, but the piece that you hook an air pump up to pump up your tire, that notch should be going over that little piece. So you just line it up and it should pop right in. You might have to, use a little elbow grease, but it should pop right in. And also make sure that your hubcap comes with that silver wire around the perimeter. That's what's going to help it stay inside of the hubcap. So here I am putting on the back hubcap. This one went on a lot easier once I kind of got the hang of it. And so yeah. And here's one last time, a close-up look of me putting the hubcap on once again, pointing to the air piece that the notch is supposed to lay over. So yeah, just line it up and then just pop it in. So here's a close-up of the hubcap style that I got. Got these for about $100, the entire set for $100, including shipping off eBay. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below. Here's me just showing you that there should be little to no space between the hubcap and the actual tire. Very little to no space, and your little air refill piece, I promise you I'm going to figure out what it's called, should be poking out properly in the little space that's provided in the hubcap.